This year, in the midst of many challenges, we have been so grateful for you, our community. You've continued to show up in so many different ways, even as the ways we work with and live have changed. You've used data to answer questions important to you, written insightful code, helped people learn, and continued to share everything you do with your communities, co-workers, neighbors, family, and friends. Thank you for your kindness, your curiosity, and bringing all of you to the ways that you work with and share about data. From RStudio Open Source, thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Vielen herzlichen Dank.
Merci.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Merci.
A big thank you to the entire open source community. ధన్యవాదములు.
Thank you.
Teşekkürler.
Thank you.
Hey, you're using the things we made, and I really appreciate that. Thank you.
Merci.
Thank you.
You want to say thank you?
Thank you. 谢谢。多谢。ありがとうございます。
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you for all the ways you contribute and share.